Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. This is going to be the next episode of Throwback Thursday. Now, for Throwback Thursdays, what I do is I go and check videos from my channel and other people's channel from at least 2 years back, but as far back as 9 years, to see what crafts we were doing then, and then bring them back to the front so that you guys can see, because some of you guys I know are new crafters, and you really wouldn't know, at least I don't think these older crafts would pop up in your feed. So I'm just trying to bring some of the things back up, because I know I won't be able to do them all. But this next thing is going to be a faux gumball machine, and I'm actually starting this on Wednesday night because I need to allow my E6000 to adhere. So let me go through the things that you're gonna need. I got this pot. I don't know what size pot this is. This is one of the smaller ones, so I got this one. I got this fish bowl from Dollar Tree. Oh, and this pot came from Home Depot. I wanted the bigger one, but they didn't have any of the bigger ones. They just had actually this one and one more was all they had in the store. So this works. So I just went on and got it. I picked up 3 of the plates. I don't know what's the official term, but they sit in there like that. Now you only need 1, but let me go through this before I even get started on that. I got my E6000. I got these little round balls here that I hauled in my last video, maybe. It may have been my last video. I got a paintbrush, spongy one, and I got paint. I got a black and a red, and the reason why I got black and red because I want to make it burgundy. I don't want a really red gumball machine. I really want a nice, deep wine burgundy colored gumball machine. Now back to this part right here. Let me move this out the way. You really only need, well, actually, you only really need 1. Just depends on how you want to do it. Let me adjust this just a little bit. Okay, and don't look at my mess in the back. Okay. Okay. It's like you can have this one. You can glue that on there, and then you can have this one as the top. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, kind of like that. Let me move just a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, just like that. And where is the little thing? Here to go. And this will go on top as the little top pull. I just set it up there for right now. Can you see it right there? There you go. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm back. I just adjusted it a little bit, and then you can see where the top, where the pull will go. Now that's just if you just wanted 1 pot and 1 of the plates. You can do 2. You can do it like that, and like that if you wanted 2, along with your pull. I prefer 3. I'm going to take these 2 and glue them together like this. Put that there. Put the top. And I might have to adjust you guys again. Bear with me. I'm sorry I had to adjust you guys again. But there's my 2 plates facing each other with the top and the pull. So this is how I want my gumball machine to work out. So I'm going to mix my paint. I'm going to put my cardboard down to protect my mat, and then we're going to get started. These items were outside, of course, in the garden department of Home Depot. So you may want to take a dry paper towel and just dust them or wipe them down just to make sure that there's no dust on it. A dry paper towel. If you want to do wet, that's fine, and let the pot dry or whatever. And also your bowl too, Dollar Tree get the label off. Make sure you take all the labels off, okay? And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually glue. Let me put this down first because I don't even want to get into the E6000 on my mat. So I'm actually going to glue these two together first and set them aside. I gotta clean the little thing off. I let my granddaughter use it, and she made a mess and didn't clean it up. But anyway, I'm gonna put these two together, make sure that they're straight. I am recording. I'm gonna make sure that these are straight, and they look pretty good right now. And I'm actually gonna set these aside to dry. And next I'm going to do is actually I'm going to mix my paint. Okay, I thought I had a disposable bowl, the styrofoam bowl, but I don't. But I do have this styrofoam cup that I just cut down a little bit. And I'm going to take my red paint. Pour some of this in. And I need to make enough because I really don't want to have to. I'd rather have too much than not enough. And that's that color. This is called what? True Red. That's True Red. And I'm going to mix in some black. And I'm going to just, hopefully I won't mess it up, because I'm just hoping that it's going to turn that burgundy color that I'm looking for. So let's see, what pencil is this? No name pencil. I'm just going to use it to stir with. Okay. And guess what? That looks like I kind of got it on the first try. But it actually looks more brown than burgundy. I'm going to add some more red. It looks dark. You can't see it in there. So I'm going to put some more red in. Yeah, I'm Frankensteining this. Just trial and error. I think that looks, I personally think that looks good. Yeah, that'll work for me. It's a deep berry color to me, and which is what I want. So I'm going to start this off, and then I will come back once I get all the pieces painted. I brought you back so that you can at least see me make the first couple of strokes anyway. So, and that's the color. I don't know if it's going to show up true on the screen, but that's it, and that works for me. And I'm going to go ahead on and get this painted. Okay guys, I'm back. I've let this thing dry. This is the one that has the two bottoms glued together with E6000. I put the little knob on here, and so far it's okay. It hasn't been 24 hours yet. It's still Wednesday, and this pot seems to be pretty cool. I actually believe that I would like to have made this shiny, as in a metallic finish or a shiny finish, but my paints that I had picked up, they were flat, And I may actually go back and put some polyurethane on these, but for right now, this is what it is. So where is my E6000? We're going to put this together now. Let me move that. I'm going to put this bottom on first, or whatever you want. I'm going to put this middle piece on first. And I'm just going to, can you see that? Yeah. I'm just going to put this on here. And if I had to do this over again, I would actually glue this in place first so that my pieces would be touching. I would be gluing like, what is it? The pot to the pot and not to the paint. So let me see. Okay, I'm trying to think which side may look better. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Just sit it on. You know what? Let me do it. Just let me turn it upside down and see. Oh, okay. I think that's good right about there. So let me turn this back up. There we go. And I'm actually just going to put the adhesive on this raised part right here. And I think that whole part is flat. But I'm just going to put it on there, right around the rim. And I think you could actually put it on the whole thing, but I think the rim will be good for me. Trying to stop it from, there we go. Put this back on here. Sit this right here in the middle here. Yeah, you could actually just do the whole bottom and it would fit. There we go. And put that top on. Now, none of this is perfect. As you can see, like right there, I need to put a little bit more paint there, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I may do it tomorrow, depending on how I feel. But for right now, this just needs to dry overnight. Oops. And let me see if I can find some candies to put in there. Okay, I brought in a few Hershey's Kisses, and I'm just going to put these in there. There we go. And guys, please feel free to embellish your gumball machine, your faux gumball machine, any way you like. Let's see. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Come on. There we go. So, like I said, please feel free to embellish this any way you like. Put some ribbon around it and be done with it. Put some bling on it. It's really up to you. Okay? So, okay guys, this is the finished product. I'm not going to do anything else to this because what I would like for you to do if you're going to try this, to let your imagination complete it. And I'm talking about the one that you're going to do. And no, I did not notice that these candies, the paper on it is the same color as the gumball machine. So no, I didn't know that, but that is cute how that worked out, isn't it? Okay guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.